Hello, this is Arnold from Steelmama. Today we will test the double line machine for Mexico client. And this double line machine can produce angle corner and the main channel, U channel. This is manual decoiler. Decoiler is up to you. You can choose manual one, electric one, and hydraulic one. This part is the feeding device. And you can see one line, two line in one frame. And now you see it's the reforming part. This machine we use 10 stations, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 10. 10 to form the shape is already enough. And every part has the marking. And the machines we also put the straightener. Straightener is when you change the different material, different thickness. So maybe the finished product is not straight, then we can use the straightener to do this. And the machine will also use the flying cutter. The flying cutter means when the cutting cut, the machine is not stopped. So now you see the machine is working. And with the flying cutter, the machine can up to 30 to 40 meters per minute. Now you see the speed. Now we will test the double line and the main channel machine. The feeding part is the same with the angle corner. Then the machine also is 10 stations to form, and we also have the mark in future if you adjust. This is the straightener. We just test the machine. The finished product is not very straight, so we adjust this. Now we get the straight one. We will check on the platform like this. So we will check whether it is straight, whether it's in leveling. After the machine starts, you need to check whether the length is correct and all the specification is correct. Then you start the production. Okay, so this is the double line for Mexico client. And if you need any reforming machine, please contact us. We are from Steelmama. Bye.